Hello, everyone. My name is Mr. Trapp. I know this open house is a little bit different than what we're used to, but this is kind of just the way things have to be for now. Um, I want to let you know just a little bit more about me so that you students coming in aren't necessarily afraid, but you can get to know me a little bit better so that you're just more comforted in the classroom setting that you're going to be in. First of all, like I said, my name is Mr. Trapp. I do teach third grade math and science, and I love math and science. Science has always been my favorite subject, but since math and science oftentimes go hand in hand, I love them both. So we're going to have a lot of fun this year. It is going to be a little bit different though, and I will explain some of those procedures. A little bit about me. I have been teaching, this will be my ninth year of teaching. I have taught grades 3, 5, and 6 and I just love the third grade level. This will be my third year as a third grade teacher, and I'm really, really enjoying it, and I am very, very fortunate to be in this position. I have taught math, I've taught science, I've taught social studies in both public and private schools. Me on a little bit more of a personal level, I love hockey. Hockey is my favorite sport. So if you play hockey or you've ever ice skated before, then you and I already have something in common, and we probably haven't even met yet, aside from maybe a little hello in the hallways. Um, my favorite thing in the world is my son who just turned 4. Here's a little picture of him right here. You will hear all about my son Troy. He and I do everything together, and I just love being with him every moment that I possibly can be. So maybe he might even come in at some point in the year. Hopefully, everything kind of settles down and we can do things like that. Other than that, I actually have a newborn baby who's only been home for about a week, and her name is Taylor. So Troy and Taylor, they both start with T, easy to remember. And Troy has been an amazing older brother to her so far. A little bit of advice for the year. I just want to let everybody know that I or Mrs. Timon or Mrs. Lessick or Mrs. Eberline or any of the teachers in the building, any of the adults, I want you to obviously be safe and comfortable. We want you to want to come to school. We want you to want to come and learn. And we want you to know that we are people that you can talk to, you can open up to, you can talk to if something's bothering you. Maybe something happened on the way to school that's bothering you, or maybe somebody's saying things to you that might be bothering you too. And we understand, I mean, we've all been in school ourselves. We understand that that can put you in an uncomfortable situation. And we, of course, want you to come in, be comfortable, learn to the best of your ability, and enjoy your time here. So please just know that we are here because we want to be here and we really want you to feel comfortable. So please, if something's ever bothering you, know that we are some people that you can absolutely talk to about some of those matters. Um, some things to expect for the school year. I'm going to tell you right now that this is my ninth year teaching, and this school year will be unlike any other. And that is, of course, because of our current situation globally. And so we're going to take it day by day and do the best we can. And I just want everybody to know that we are, of course, in this together. And it might be a little bit scary at first. You're actually not really going to be seeing this. You're going to be, seeing more of this, okay? Or my Iroquois mask. Um, so it's a little different. And we're all going, nobody wants to get sick, okay? That's very clear, of course. So we're all going to have to take some proper measures in order to ensure that we are all doing what we can to stay safe and learn to the best of our potentials. So we are going to need to wear our masks every day, all day. We will get some mask breaks from time to time. We are going to need to practice proper hand washing. I have some signs up in the classroom. And I've learned a lot too. I've been in the hospital a lot this summer with my baby being born. I learned a lot about hand washing that even I didn't know. And I beforehand wasn't even washing my hands long enough. Okay, I would wash them for 10 seconds or so. And that really doesn't get all the germs away. So there are some things that we're going to have to do. We're going to have to wash our hands the proper way. We're going to have to stay distance from one another, which is totally different. Usually in a math classroom, we're touching things, we're playing with things, we're building things, we're talking with one another. We do group work, we do partner work, and we're going to have to kind of do some other activities that are a little bit more socially distant than what we're used to. So it will be different, but it will all be good, and we're going to all do this together. So let me just take you on a real brief, I just want to pause this for a moment and show you my classroom, just so you know visually what to expect when you walk in. So this is the best angle I could get of the classroom without walking around with it and making you sick on video. So I do have a jungle theme. As I mentioned earlier on in the video, I love science, I love animals, I love the outdoors, I love the jungle and woods and forests and all those types of things. So I do have a little bit of a jungle theme. But if you see the classroom here, the seating arrangement is going to look a little bit different than what we're used to. As you can see, each of the desks are 6 feet apart so that we can maintain proper procedures to ensure that we are safe and healthy. Straight across, you will see the classroom sink. Okay, and on that sink, I have some hand washing procedures so that we all ensure that we are staying safe and healthy. Other than that, I do have, like I said, a little bit of a jungle theme here. There's a tree, a lot of green, another tree in the corner, and yet again, even another tree. Other than that, still working on it, and I really, really look forward to meeting you all. Some of you I already know, which is super exciting, and others I don't yet. So I'm looking forward to it. Boys and girls, stay safe and healthy, and I will see you very soon. Thank you for watching.